είναι που μπαίνει ο αυτόματος τεντωτήρας. This is where the auto tensioner goes, and through this one, this rod, which is a simple rod with thread, this is how the auto tensioner works. It makes the auto calibration of the tension. We put here this device. Let me show you the car is this, and this is where the tensioner, this is the old tensioner. I've managed to get it inside the rod, the protrusion. This is where this goes somewhere around here. And of course here we have also that bearing, which also needs adjustment. So the whole system is like that. You can see it moving.